Yeah, I took 2 sips. It's around 2:30 and my taste buds are on siesta. They have to be woke. Well, they're kind of woke. Let's see what their olfactory friends have to say. Whoa! Do I smell some hops? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's slightly vegetal. Not a floral hop, but a vegetal hop. You know, kind of a, if you go to a grocery store and you're going down the salad aisle there. That's kind of the flavor that I get there. Let's see if the taste buds agree. Well, there's actually a little bit of grain flavor there. Not too toasted, very grainy. As if you took some fresh malt and just rubbed it in your fingers. All right, well, I tell you, I'm surprised. It's definitely got a 1, definitely got a 3. It met expectations. In fact, it exceeded it just slightly. I'm going to call this one a 4. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.